as the resident would restore on BBC One's The Repair Shop. Will Kirk is a fan favourite. The 37-year-old developed an interest in the craft from watching his grandfather in his workshop. He went on to study graphic design and antique furniture restoration and conservation at the University of the Arts London and London Metropolitan University. While his work has created a very high profile for the Wandsworth-based craftsman when the cameras aren't rolling, he keeps a much lower profile. He rarely shares images or information about his wife, so fans were delighted in August 2021 when he posted pictures of the happy couple's nuptials. They were due to be married in 2020 but were forced to postpone because of lockdowns. Taking to his Instagram, Kirk described it as "best day of my life. Here is everything express." Co.uk knows about his wife. Who is Will Kirk married to? Will is married to Polly Snowden, an educational psychologist, who is as private as she is intelligent. She attended University of Exeter, where she studied psychology, before doing her doctorate in education psychology at University of Essex. She is currently working as an assistant psychologist at the South London and Maudsley NHS Foundation Trust. She works on a CBT-based, psychoeducation primary school universal intervention program. She is extremely academically accomplished and has been involved in collaborative academic publications such as a poster titled "Development of a Child Experience Measure for Children with Cancer," which was presented at the 47th Congress of the International Society of Pediatric Oncology in Cape Town. In October 2016 she contributed to the poster titled "Usability Testing of a Digital Child Experience Measure for Children with Cancer." This was presented at the 48th Congress of the International Society of Pediatric Oncology in Dublin. She shies away from the spotlight and even her Instagram is private, merely letting us know that she uses her married name outside of work, so the glimpses that fans get into her life tend to come from Will. Don't miss. Bargain hunt contestants clash with expert over dangerous buy, inside £1,000 sisters. Fans disgusted as Amanda lap dances on married man. Opinion: Netflix zombie detective star Young Chae-yul tragically dies aged 26. Latest: thanks to his posts we know that the couple welcomed a daughter in July 2022. Will announced they were expecting in March that year when he shared a photograph of himself beaming at the camera while holding a mug with Papa written on it. In his caption he wrote, "A new mug to add to my collection this summer." Will has not revealed their child's face or name, although he has posted photos of him holding the tot. In 2021 Will revealed to the Radio Times how he lied to Polly in order to get a new TV for their home. Just a month after their wedding he said, "My wife Polly said we didn't need a bigger TV. But our last one was really old, so I lied, saying I got one in the sales. I might have lied about the price as well. So, we've got a lovely big TV now, and underneath that is my PlayStation, which I've been told to give to charity. I never have time to play, but I won't get rid of it." The Repair Shop is on BBC One on Wednesday nights at 8 p.m.
Trying to Now take